Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. Today I decided to do this brown smoky eye look, and the first color that I started off with was the color Tune. And then after that I went in with the shade No Beans and I applied it all over my lid. And the next two shades that I used was Code James and 10% Off. I mixed both of those and I applied it in my crease. And the next shade that I applied was the color B, and I applied it right above those two shades, Code James and 10% Off. And next, from the Warrior palette by Juvia's, I applied the shade Bacoa in my tear duct, and I also put it right underneath my eyebrow. And that's all for this brown smoky eye. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned.